Previously on The Mockseer.
Who are you?
Francis Fackler. Would you like a cigarette?
Sure.
I don't smoke myself, I just own stock in it.
So why are you here?
It's my dog, Miss Puppykins. She was taken from me.
I'm not following. What do you want me to do?
I want you to find her for me.
Do you have any evidence or any leads?
Just saw a shadow and she was gone.
I feel you. I wouldn't know what I'd do if my pet went missing.
What do you have?
A baby octopus. Isn't he cute?
Is that even legal to have?
Not sure.
Well, what's its name?
He hasn't told me what he wants to be called yet.
How big is it going to get?
Not sure of that either. Should probably check into it.
I have to go. Listen, if you find Mr. Puppykins for me, I will reward you greatly.